Hey, everyone, and welcome back to channel. Today, we learn about 11 signs a girl likes you. Now, let's begin. Number 1, she's clearly nervous around you. It may seem as though she's uninterested, but she could just be nervous. Most guys don't know the difference between when a girl is shy around you versus when she simply does not want to be near you. Things like face touching, playing with her hair, looking down, and fumbling with her hands are all signs that she's nervous. Whether she's talking too much or not at all, do your best to put her mind at ease by making her feel comfortable around you. Number 2, she asks for your help on silly, little things. Sometimes, women go to great lengths to get your attention. If she's asking you to teach her something that sounds elementary, she's most likely sending you major signals. Women recognize that men have a protective instinct, so when a lady is too short to reach something, or can't quite figure out how the remote works, she's usually hinting that she wants your help. All of this happens near you so she can be sure you're there to aid her in her supposed helplessness. Number 3, she tries to let you know she's single. Whether it's talking about how she can't find the right guy, or giving you details about her excruciating third-wheel experience, she'll let you know just how single she is. Use this to figure out if she's actually interested in you. If she mentions needing a date to an event or someone to accompany her to dinner so she's not alone, offer to go. Chances are, she's waiting for you to take the hint. Number 4, she laughs at everything you say. You might be full of dad jokes or last year's memes, but if a girl is playing with her hair and laughing at your jokes, it's a good sign she likes you. Even though your jokes might be infamously corny, she'll still find them funny when she wants you to know she's interested. If she's engaging in conversations with smiles, giggles and playful banter, there's a good chance she's attracted to you. Number 5, she remembers things you tell her. One of the signs that a girl likes you is that she pays attention to what you say and remembers details about your life. She might bring up something you mentioned in a previous conversation or remember your favorite food or movie. This shows that she is interested in you and wants to get to know you better. It also indicates that she values your words and opinions and wants to build a deeper connection with you. Remembering the things you tell her is a sign of her genuine interest and investment in the relationship. Number 6, you catch her staring at you on multiple occasions. You're out with friends and you find her glancing over at you more than once. If she's into you, you'll catch her staring at you when she assumes you don't notice. If you catch her looking at you and she quickly glances the other way, she might be into you but shy about it. Number 7, her friends and family know about you. If a girl is interested, she's not shy when it comes to speaking about you to her friends. After all, women tell their girlfriends everything. She'll pick up the phone with her buddies when you call, and she doesn't hesitate to let them know when she's made plans with you. Another big indicator is if she's inviting you to gatherings with her friends. This means she sees a future with you and will ask their approval. Number 8, she reschedules a date she can't make. If a girl is into you, she'll want to see you again. She'll be willing to reschedule the dinner you plan that overlaps with her girls' night. If she doesn't like you, she'll do everything she can to make you think she's very busy and cannot be bothered. Eagerness is a confident sign that a woman is into you, as she'll take the time to make plans with you regardless of her busy schedule. Number 9, she makes an effort to continue the conversation. Whether it's in person or over text, a girl that's into you is going to engage in your conversations wholeheartedly. She won't send one-word texts or simply nod her head while you speak. She'll ask questions and add input to prolong the conversation between you two. Number 10, she compliments you and tries to make you feel good. When a girl is interested in you, she will often compliment you and try to make you feel good about yourself. Whether it's your appearance, your achievements, or your personality, she'll take notice and let you know. She'll also go out of her way to make you feel special and appreciated, whether it's by planning thoughtful surprises or simply showing up when you need her. These actions demonstrate that she cares about you and wants to build a positive and supportive relationship.